Think about the last time you scrolled through social media or flipped through a magazine. You didn't read every single word, you just looked for the main idea or something interesting. That's exactly what skimming is, and in the IELTS reading test, this skill can save you precious time. So, what exactly is skimming? Skimming means reading quickly to catch the main idea of a passage. You're not focused on every detail or every word, just the big picture. In IELTS, skimming helps you understand what the text is about before you dive into the questions. Now, here's something important. Skimming doesn't work for every question in the IELTS reading test. It works best when you need to find the general meaning of a paragraph, like matching headings, identifying main ideas, or which paragraph contains this information. But when questions ask for specific details like true, false, not given, yes, no, not given, or multiple choice, you'll need a different strategy called scanning. When you skim, don't try to read every word. Instead, start by looking at the title and any subheadings that gives you a quick idea of the topic. Then, as you move through each paragraph, just pay attention to the first and last sentence because they usually carry the main idea. As your eyes move, notice keywords like names, dates, or repeated words. These jump out quickly. And don't worry about the little details or examples, just let them go. If you do this in less than a minute, you'll already have a clear picture of what the passage is about. Now it's your turn to try skimming. I'll show you a short paragraph and you have 20 seconds to get the main idea. Then I'll give you 3 options. Choose the one you think is correct. Okay, time's up. When I skim this passage, I noticed the first sentence introduces bicycles becoming popular in the 19th century. Then I see keywords like affordable, freedom, and women's independence. The last sentence confirms the main idea. Bicycles gave people, especially women, more independence. So the correct answer is B. Bicycles became popular and gave people, especially women, more freedom and independence. Many students make mistakes when trying to skim. The first mistake is reading too slowly. That turns into normal reading, not skimming. The second mistake is focusing on unknown words. Remember, you don't need to understand every single word. And the third mistake is trying to find answers while skimming. That's actually scanning, which is a different skill. So keep skimming simple, move your eyes quickly, look for the main idea, and save the details for later. If you want to get better at skimming, the best way is to practice a little every day. Try skimming a news article, a blog post, or even a magazine page. Give yourself just 30 to 60 seconds, then check if you can say the main idea in one sentence. Another great trick is to time yourself with IELTS passages. The more you practice under time pressure, the faster and more natural skimming will feel. Skimming is your first step in IELTS reading. It helps you see the big picture and save time. Remember, use it for the right question types and combine it with scanning for details. In the next video, we'll cover scanning, the skill you need to actually find answers. So make sure to subscribe and keep practicing. And if you want to challenge yourself, try skimming an article today and share your one-sentence summary in the comments.